Have you ever sung a bad melody, or did a bad melody suddenly appear in your head? It has never happened to me, and this is why I think writing music in your head is so brilliant, because you only hear what you like, and doing what you like is what all music is about. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make music in your head, only using a pen and paper. We will use solfege as our notation tool, which is a brilliant tool. To begin with, we will only be using the notes in the major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So I divide each line into 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So do, 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 do. And if I go above or below my octave, I write a small arrow in front of my note. Do, 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 do. Try to not overcomplicate the melody. Start with do and only go maximum 2 steps or down. So for example, from do to mi, or from mi to so, or from fa to re. Do, re, mi, do, la, an octave down. Do, re, mi, do. I cheat a bit. Fa, mi, do. Okay, so this is my A part. Let's write a B part. La, ti, do. An octave up, so I write mi, do, la, ti, do, mi. And I will remember to write the arrows so we can all read it. La, ti, la, so, fa, mi, do. So now I have a A and a B part. Let's try to sing it. Do, re, mi, do, la, do. Do, re, mi, do, fa, mi, do. La, ti, do, mi, do. La, ti, la, so, fa, mi, do. The next question. How do we use it in Ableton? Since solfege is based on intervals, then the first thing we need to do is simply to choose our bass note. Okay, so we choose the key of C, and we simply just work our way through it. Do is C, and re is 2 half steps up. And mi is 4 half steps up from C. And do is C. Do again, la, 9 half steps up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it's an octave down. And then do again. And the next is do, re, mi, do. Fa, which is 5 half steps up, mi, do. So now we basically wrote the A part. I cheated a bit, and I also harmonized it, and you can watch my video about harmonizing. So here you can listen to how the A and the B part sounds. When trained, try to start on other notes than the do. Try to use the 5 other intervals than the 7 we use in the major scale. Pick one of 2 of Ra, Me, Fi, lay or a tar and just try to implement them in your music writing. This is an incredible way to expand your melodic vocabulary. Also, try to transcribe other melodies that you know with solfege. This is a really nice way to also just understand melodies that you like. So for example, instead of using T, we can use tar, and we can make it a minor using me instead of mi. So let's try. Do, mi, and let's also use le. Le, so, fa, mi, re, so, do. Do, mi, le, so, fa, mi, re, so, do. Let's try that style. Mi, so, do. An octave up. Ta, le, so, fa. Let's try. Do, mi, le, so, fa, mi, re, so, do. 3. Mi, so, do, ta, le, so, fa, fa, so, ta, le, so, ta, mi, re, mi, do. I started writing down the melody just like I did before, but then when I started harmonizing it, I figured out that I wanted the C's to be longer, this C and this C. So I made them longer and added chords. And again, watch my harmonized video. I will leave a link in the description. So I wanted the end to be repeated, so I did that. So this is kind of my final arrangement of this melody with a harmonization. I can really recommend to write with your friends and sing your melodies together. It's incredible how beautiful it can sound, even though it seems so simple to do. By writing melodies with solfege, you'll be training your inner ear, you'll be able to write music wherever you are, and you will be able to understand the music that plays in your surroundings, to a point where you can actually go and steal the things that you like. And yes, stealing is the best way of learning. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and consider to subscribe to my channel. It will make me so happy. Enjoy!